Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpin here, and welcome to another HO Scale update. So as you can see, I have some new stuff that I'd like to show you guys. So these are actually for a late birthday present I got. So these arrived on the 19th of November. So you can see I have a Scale Trains Locomotive, and you can see it's an ES44 AC, and also has some Walters mainline rolling stock. So we'll start off with the rolling stock. So what I have that's new are these. These are the brand new release of the 72-foot modern refrigerated boxcars, or you can say reefers. So I have 3 of them. So first one I have is BNSF, which this one is, because I heard that BNSF is selling out so fast you can't find it almost anywhere, but I was lucky I was able to get this one. I managed to get one of the last ones from Train World, so here it is. Here's that. It looks very nice because I love seeing these on like mixed freights or also intermodals. And I even remembered seeing a couple of reefers on NS11B when I passed through Altoona on the horseshoe curve once before on my vacation. Because you'll see plenty of these reefers usually on some of the East Coast trains as well. So I got that, got the BNSF. So the next one I have is Union Pacific with the high reporting marks. Because I think the reason why they did the high reporting marks is because basically, you know, vandals like to tag these cars with graffiti, so they put them high on there, so that way, so it's not possible for vandals to tag them, so that way, you know, for like paperwork, the crew members can know the different types, the road numbers of each rolling stock on their trains. So there's that. Got the Union Pacific, and also and the third one is another one. So this is actually a different paint scheme variant, because you can see they moved the UP logo on the left side, and they also put code Connect. So this is another unique paint scheme for UP. I think this one is selling out fast as well. So this is another unique paint scheme that they did for Union Pacific. So there's that. So we're going to slide those out of the way. And now for the locomotive itself is this locomotive right here. This is the one I pre-ordered. Like, I thought this would arrive, they would ship on the 13th, but after 2-day delay they shipped on the 15th instead. So what I have here is the Heritage unit. So this is the Central Georgia Heritage unit, because you can see I was actually really glad that this came, and they both arrived on the same day, so I'm actually glad that I was able to pre-order this, and because this is one of my favorite paint schemes on the NS ES44 AC Heritage units. So there's that. So anyways, that's all the update I want to share with you guys. I'll be doing reviews on these in separate videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. So hope you guys enjoyed this little update, and I'll see you guys next time.